This is what we're talking about, change coming in the city. And it takes a team, and that team has been led by our mayor, where everybody's going to be able to have that opportunity to get great jobs right here in our home city. This is only the beginning. These are not empty promises. You can now see it. The nursing school going up right here. It's real, but you have to prepare for it. This is a great company. I see a lot of young faces out here. Some of you want to go to college, and that's a great thing. But some of you want to work with your hands and become an electrician. That's what I did. So there's room for everybody under this great tent. And Donald Duncan?